Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change AutoSave recovery time in Microsoft Word. Shortening this backup interval ensures that Word saves a hidden snapshot of your document much more frequently, preventing you from losing hours of critical typing data if your PC suddenly crashes or loses power. First, open Microsoft Word, look at the top left corner of the interface menu, and click on File. Move to the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and select Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Save tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Locate the section header explicitly labeled Save Documents near the top center of the Properties panel. Ensure the checkbox next to Save Auto Recover Information Every is checked to keep the background backup engine running. Move your cursor to the numeric selection box right next to it, which is set to 10 minutes by default. Change that value entirely by typing 1 to force Word to save an automated tracking recovery backup every single minute. Drop down to the bottom of the Options window and click the OK button to lock your new timing preferences into the system core. And that's it. Your high-frequency auto recovery configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.